Hey guys, Ryan Dowell, your Austin area realtor. I am out here in Georgetown today. I am at the RIVERSTONE Community. What you see behind me is the Scott Felder's newest model home called the Duval. This place is fabulous. We're actually in the backyard, and I wanted to show you back here because you can kind of see some of the fantastic options they're offering here with this big slider that kind of goes back out into this community. And if you give me a second as we turn around here, you can kind of see behind me, it's still a very wooded area. They're only going to have about 170 homes out here total, and it's a very lots of great views of the hill country, and so it's going to be a smaller community. But this one again is the Duval. It starts out at about 3,100 square feet. It's got a home office, a game room, low tax rate at about 1.75%, which for out here in Austin, the Austin area is really good. Anything below 2 is pretty good. The base price for this model is going to be about $760,000. We're looking at 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath on 80-foot lots standard, with a 3-car garage, which is also comes standard. All right, you ready? All right, let's go take a look. right, guys, there you have it. Once again, that was the Duval model for Scott Felder Homes out here in the Riverstone community in Georgetown. It's a great little community. Like I said, they only expected to have about 170 homes out here, and they're still in the first phase, so you really kind of got your pick of the lot right now. But if you're interested in this community, I got a great relationship with them over here at Scott Felder, so reach out to me. I'd love to go drive you over here and take a look and introduce you to the sales counselor out here. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel for future updates. And all right, we will talk soon. All right.